Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to insert page numbers in an Excel file. So let's go in and let me show you how this works. Imagine you have an Excel file that spans beyond more than one page. Let's say you have 2, 3, 5, 10 pages. Now, when you print out that page without inserting page numbers, it will be difficult to know which page is page 1, page 2, page 4, page 5. So inserting a page number on an Excel file that spans beyond one page will help you recognize which page comes before which. And that is what we'll be doing in this lesson. I'll be using the header and footer feature. I'll be using that to show you how you can insert page numbers in an Excel file before clicking the print button. Now to get to that, we're going to view our file using the page layout view. When you come to close right to this place of your worksheet, you have three views, and by default we have the normal view, the page layout, and the page break. And this is the page layout view. That's the view we're going to be using to insert the page numbers for our headers and footers to be active. And you can also access this by going to the View tab, and here you have it. We have the normal, the page break, and just the page layout. So when you click on it, notice you see that the header option is right here, and when you go down you see the footer. So once we insert page numbers into our page into this Excel file before clicking on print, so it depends on where you want to insert it. So when you click on this, you notice that the header and footer tab is active. So I want it, if you want it by the left, you click here. If you want it to the middle of your footer, you click, and if you want it by the right, and you click here. All right, so I'll just click here, and for you to insert the number, you go to this page number. All right, you see the page number, you click on it first. So I want it to show in this format, page 1 of, if it's 5 pages, the first page should be 1 of 5, the second should be 2 of 5, 3 of 5. So it will tell me that this document is a 5-page document, and this is the first page in the 5-page document. This is the second page. So I'll say page, then I'll put space, and I'll type off. Then secondly, click on number of pages. Good. So immediately you're done inputting this. This is a code. You won't be seeing this in this particular view, but when you click on when you go to your print preview, you'll be seeing it. So I'll just click out so that you can also see you see 1 of 2. When you go to this point, it's telling you that it's 2 pages. You see 2 of 2. So you can just exit and go back to normal, and you click on your print preview. Good. Now you can see 1 of 2. You can see it here. When you click on the next page, 2 of 2. Good. So and when you're done, you can just click on your print, and there you go. So this is how you insert page numbers in an Excel file when you have an Excel file that spans beyond one page, to help you know which of the pages comes before which, right? So I believe you've gotten value from this. If you have, do well to give this video a thumb up, like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload value tips on this channel. And don't forget to share this video to as many that you know that will benefit from it. I'll see you in the next training. Bye for now.